Alright, so I got some sad news. I making a vlog yesterday and I lost it. Bro. Hey Dan, what's up, dude? Bro, you didn't lose your vlog, dude. It's right over there. See, that's not how vlogs work. You don't just lose it in a place in the room. It's like videos and files. You can't just lose it over there. Damn, that's not a vlog, that's a dog. Not a dog? It's not a vlog? Yeah, dude, that's a dog. They chill out over in that area over there. I don't know why. Oh, dude, it's a vlog, man. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. I'm telling you, man, it's a vlog. Dan, I'm telling you, man, that is a dog, not a vlog, okay? It's a dog. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Don't lose your temper with me. I'm gonna get angry, okay? It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Vlog. Come on, man. Dan, I want you to calm down. Calm down, man. It's a vlog, man. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. Come on. Come get. All right, man. Give me that. You are a vlog. What's up? It's me. Let's get this day started. Alright, we got a big day planned. Oh, what's my voice doing right now? We got a big day planned ahead of us. Wow, I look red. Oh, too purple. No, too green. There, make it warm. There, now I look nice and tan. Bicentennial. Alright, whatever. We're gonna get this figured out. So, sweetheart, what are you doing today? How long you working for?
10 to 6:30.
10 to 6:30?
Yeah.
No! Alright, so I'm going downstairs to eat some breakfast. A woman makes some mean cereal. There are things to do today. I was watching the Carbonaro Effect. Sarah's at work and I'm off work, which means I'm gonna have to get to work, maybe cleaning up the house a little bit. I'm gonna do a couple of time lapses of just each room that I do. And yeah, without further ado, check these out. Alright, so I cleaned those two rooms, and yeah, so that was pretty cool. I'm going to put together a dresser that I've been wanting to put together for a long time. Finally getting hyped up to do that. So one more cool thing is that I've got a friend coming over, Baylor. He's a friend from work. He's an awesome guy. And he'll be over here in a little bit. We're going to go play some frisbee golf. He might help me with the dresser a little bit, but yeah, so I'll see, probably do the dresser next, probably. Sounds good. Okay, bye. Yo, you guys, I stopped this frame right here because, first of all, this is the end of the time lapse, and I just want to tell you, that is frustrating because my phone died in the middle of this time lapse. It was like a 2-hour time lapse. I had no idea that it had died. And so we didn't get the finished product, and I had to wait another 30 minutes before I could turn that phone back on because I had to charge it up for frisbee golf, which I'm about to show you right now. It's about to start. All right, ready, go.
we cut it off a little bit early because there are too many people, and this guy's gonna go ahead and go on through. So it was fun though. Low battery sign just came on, so we just got cut off there. How was it, Baylor? It's pretty decent. Yeah, we played pretty well. It was fun. All right, see you back at the house.